The heat is on South Africa, and Gauteng, you're going to sweat this week during a hot and dry spell, with temperatures soaring to 30 degrees on Thursday as well as Friday, and no rain expected the entire week over large parts of South Africa. What's causing all of this heat? Well, we do have this dominating high pressure system over the northeastern parts of South Africa, transporting lots of dry and hot air to the ground, and it will remain hot for the rest of the week. In the Western Cape, we have lots of high-level cloud moving over the province, heating up, especially over the central parts with a high of 31 degrees in Worcester. A mainly southerly wind expected in the mother city with a high of 23 degrees, and temperatures also remaining in the lower 20s along the southern coastline. A mainly southwesterly wind blowing 21 degrees in George, but a northwesterly wind picking up in the Karoo. It's extremely hot and dry, therefore runaway fires are at risk on Tuesday. A dry day for the Eastern Cape, with a southwesterly wind along the coast, 27 degrees in Port Alfred as well as East London, and becoming partly cloudy and hot over the northeastern part. We're also expecting a northeasterly wind to blow fresh to strong over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, later warming up to 32 degrees in Richards Bay, lots of sunshine, and soaring to 35 degrees in Pietermaritzburg. It's a dry day from Mpumalanga and heating up into the afternoon, upper 20s over the high veld and reaching 30 degrees in the low veld. It's a dry day in Limpopo and almost no wind expected, with temperatures soaring to the upper 20s and 30s. A dry spell expected this week in northwest. It's sunny skies with temperatures soaring to 30 degrees into the afternoon. A northwesterly wind picking up in the Northern Cape on Tuesday. Therefore, we do have a high fire danger for most parts of the province where runaway fires are at risk due to the extreme heat and windy weather on Tuesday. In the afternoon, you can expect a high of 33 degrees in Kimberley and some high-level cloud moving over the Northern Cape as well as the Free State, later reaching 31 degrees in Bloemfontein. Hot and dry this week in Gauteng during a dry spell with a high of 27 in Johannesburg and 29 degrees in Pretoria. Remaining hot and dry over South Africa into Wednesday, a high of 31 degrees in Pretoria, but winds picking up ahead of a cold front over the western part of South Africa. Into Thursday, that cold front moving over the Western Cape, cooling down the mother city, light rain expected with only 19 degrees, and then later light showers expected along the southern coastline, but still hot and dry weather expected over the rest of South Africa. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.